Second question, find the center, vertices, eccentricity, foci, equations of a latera recta. Next, directrices and length of a latus rectum of the hyperbola 9x square minus 4y square equals to 36. The given equation convert into a standard form, so then 9x square minus 4y square divided by 36, so it is equals to 1. Split into two fractions. So 9 ones are 9, 4s are 4 ones are 4 9s are. So then x square divided by 4 minus y square divided by 9 equals to 1. Now compare with the standard form. So then a square equals to 4, then a equals to 2. Next to b square equals to 9, then b equals to 3. So the first question is what? Center. That is 0 comma 0 is a center. Second one, vertices. So vertices for hyperbola is plus or minus a comma 0. So then plus or minus a value is 2. So 2 comma 0. Next one is eccentricity. So the suitable formula is e square equals to 1 plus b square divided by a square. So e square equals to 1 plus b square value 9 and a square value 4. So then 9 by 4. So it is equals to 9 plus 4, 13 by 4. Then e equals to under root 13 by 4. So it is implies e equals to root 13 divided by 2. The next one is foci, that is plus or minus ae comma 0. So then plus or minus a value is 2 and e value is root 13 divided by 2 comma 0. Here 2 cancel, then plus or minus root 13 comma 0. Next question is equation of the latera recta. X equals to plus or minus ae. So it is implies x equals to plus or minus, just now we found ae value, that is root 13. Next one is directrices. X equals to plus or minus a by e. So x equals to plus or minus a value, that is 2 divided by e value root 13 divided by 2. Then x equals to plus or minus 2 2s are 4 by root 13. Next, length of a latus rectum. The formula is 2b square divided by a. So it is equals to 2 into b square value 9 divided by a value 2. Here 2 cancel, it is equals to 9. Third question, find the coordinates of the center, vertices, eccentricity, foci, length of a latus rectum, equations of the latera recta, and directrices of the hyperbola. The first question, 16x square minus 9y square equals to 144. Let's convert into a standard form. So 16x square minus 9y square. 16 ones are 16, 16 nines are 144, 9 ones are 9, 9 16s are 144. X square divided by 9 minus, so then a square equals to 9. So it is implies a equals to 3. Next to b square equals to 16, then b equals to 4. So the center is 0 comma 0. Next to vertices plus or minus a comma 0. So plus or minus a value is 3 comma 0. Eccentricity e square equals to 1 plus b square divided by a square. So e square equals to 1 plus b square value 16 and a square value 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25 divided by 9. So then e equals to under root 25 by 9. So 25 by 9 answer is how much? 5 by 3. So eccentricity is 5 by 3. Next to foci is plus or minus ae comma 0. So plus or minus a value 3 and e value 5 by 3 comma 0. Here 3 cancel, then plus or minus 5 comma 0. Next, length of a lattice rectum, that is 2b square divided by a. So then it is equals to 2 into b square value 16 by a value 3. 16 2s are 32 divided by 3. And equation of a lateral recta, x equals to plus or minus a into e. X equals to plus or minus a value 3 and e value, that is 5 by 3. Then 3 cancel, then x equals to plus or minus 5. Equation of a directrices, that is x equals to plus or minus a by e. So x equals to plus or minus a value 3 divided by e value, that is 5 by 3. It is implies x equals to plus or minus 3 3s are 9 by 5. Second question, 3x square minus y square equals to 4. Let's convert into a standard form. So here 3x square by 4 can write as x square divided by 4 by 3 minus y square by 4. Sorry, here it is 1 equals to 1. Now compare with the standard form. So then a square equals to 4 by 3, then a equals to under root 4 by 3. So root 4 by 3 answer is 2 by root 3. B square equals to 4, then b equals to 2. The center is 0 comma 0. Next vertices plus or minus a comma 0. So plus or minus 2 by root 3 comma 0. Next eccentricity, the formula is e square equals to 1 plus b square divided by a square. So e square equals to 1 plus b square value 4 and a square value 4 by 3. So it is implies e square equals to 1 plus 4 3s are 12 by 3. Sorry, 12 by 4. So here 4 1s are 4 3s are, then the e square equals to 1 plus 3 is 4. Then what is the e value? E value is 2. Next to 4c, that is plus or minus a comma 0. So plus or minus a value is 2 by root 3 into e value is 2 comma 0. Then it is equals to plus or minus 2 2s are 4 by root 3 comma 0. Next, length of lattice rectum, that is 2b square divided by a square. So 2 into b square value 2b square divided by just a, not a square. So 2 into 4 divided by a value 2 by root 3. So 2 into 4 into root 3 by 2, here 2 cancel, then 4 into root 3. Equation of a lateral recta, x equals to plus or minus a into e. So x equals to plus or minus a value 2 by root 3 into e value 2. It is implies x equals to plus or minus 2 2s are 4 by root 3. Next to equation of a directrices, that is x equals to plus or minus a by e. X equals to plus or minus a value is 2 by root 3 divided by e value is how much? 2. Then it is implies here 2 cancel, then x equals to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Third question, 4x square minus 25y square equals to 100. Let's convert into a standard form. Now compare with the standard form of a hyperbola. Then a square equals to 25, then a equals to 5, b square equals to 4, then b equals to 2. So the center is 0 comma 0. Next to vertices plus or minus a comma 0. So plus or minus a value 5, comma 0. Next eccentricity, the formula is e square equals to 1 plus b square divided by a square. Then e equals to under root 29 divided by 5. Next the foci is plus or minus a comma 0. So plus or minus a value is 5 into e value is root 29 divided by 5 comma 0. So 5 cancel. It is equals to plus or minus root 29 comma 0. Next length of a lattice rectum that is 2b square divided by a. So it is equals to 2 into b square, that is 4, and a value 5. So 4 2s are 8 divided by 5. Equation of a lateral recta, that is x equals to plus or minus a into e. So x equals to plus or minus a value 5, e value is root 29 divided by 5, 5 cancel, then x equals to plus or minus root 29. Equation of a directrix, that is x equals to plus or minus a by e. So x equals to plus or minus a value 5 divided by e value, that is root 29 divided by 5. Then 5 5 is 25, so x equals to plus or minus 25 by root 29. Fourth question, y square by 9 minus x square by 7 equals to 1. Let's compare with the standard form of a hyperbola. It is a conjugate hyperbola, so its standard form is y square by b square minus x square by a square equals to 1. So then b square equals to 9, then b equals to 3. Next a square equals to 7. So 7 is not a perfect square number, then a equals to under root 7. So the center is 0 comma 0. Next to the vertices are two vertices, so 0 comma plus or minus b. 0 comma plus or minus b value is 3. Next to the eccentricity, the formula is e square equals to 1 plus b square, 1 plus a square divided by b square. Then e square equals to 1 plus a square value 7 divided by b square value 9. So 9 plus 7 is 16 by 9. Then e equals to 4 by 3. Next to foci is plus or minus 0 comma b into e. 0 comma plus or minus b value 3 and e value 4 by 3. So here 3 cancel, then 0 comma plus or minus 4. Length of a lattice rectum, that is 2a square divided by b. So 2 into a square value 7 divided by b value 3. 7 2s are 14 divided by 3. Equation of a lateral recta, y equals to plus or minus b into e. So y equals to plus or minus b value 3 into e value 4 by 3. 3 cancel, then y equals to plus or minus 4. Equation of a directrix, that is y equals to plus or minus b by e. So y equals to plus or minus b value 3 divided by e value 4 by 3. So it is implies 3 3s are 9. So 9 divided by 4. Fifth question, y square by 5 minus x square by 16 equals to 1. Let's compare with the standard form of a hyperbola. So here b square equals to 5, then b equals to under root 5. So 5 is not a perfect square number. A square equals to 16. Here a equals to root 16. Answer is 4. The center is 0 comma 0. Next to vertices plus or minus 0 comma b. So then it is equals to 0 comma plus or minus b value root 5. Next to eccentricity, e square equals to 1 plus a square divided by b square. So then e square equals to 1 plus a square value 16 and b square value that is 5. Then its simplification is 21 divided by 5. Then e equals to under root 21 divided by, otherwise let's apply the square root for numerator and for denominator root 5. Next to 4c is 0 comma plus or minus be, so 0 comma plus or minus b value root 5 into e value root 21 divided by root 5. Here root 5 is cancelled, so 0 comma plus or minus under root 21. Next, length of a lattice rectum, that is 2a square divided by b. So 2 into a square value 16 divided by b value root 5. So 16 2s are 32 divided by root 5. Equation of a lateral recta, that is y equals to plus or minus b into e. So y equals to plus or minus b value root 5 into e value root 21 divided by root 5. Root 5 cancel, then y equals to plus or minus root 21. Equation of a directrices, that is y equals to plus or minus b by e. So then y equals to plus or minus b value root 5 divided by e value. E value is root 21 divided by root 5. Root 5 will go to numerator place, so root 5 whole square, then plus or minus 5 divided by under root 21. Fourth bit, find the equation of a hyperbola. The first question, vertices are plus or minus 5 comma 0 and 4c plus or minus 7 comma 0. So here vertices plus or minus 5 comma 0. So here 5 comma 0 and here minus 5 comma 0. And next to 4c plus or minus 7 comma 0. So then here hyperbola. So vertices and 4c both are on the x-axis. So then the standard form of a hyperbola is x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equals to 1. So let's find out the a and b values. So the vertices of this hyperbola is plus or minus a comma 0. It is equals to plus or minus 5 comma 0. Then a value is 5. Next to the foci of this hyperbola is plus or minus ae comma 0. So plus or minus 7 comma 0. So then ae equals to 7. But a value is how much? 5. Let's substitute that. 5 into e equals to 7. Then e equals to 7 by 5. Next we need b value. To find out the b value, I am using the eccentricity formula, that is 1 plus b square divided by a square. E square means 7 by 5 whole square. 1 plus b square divided by a square value 5 square. So 49 by 25. Here LCM also 25. So 25 plus b square. 25 cancel. 49 equals to 25 plus b square. Then b square equals to 49 minus 25. B square equals to 9 minus 5, 4, 2. So then b equals to, b square equals to 24. Now substitute the a square and b square values in the standard form of a hyperbola. So then x square divided by a square, a value 5, then a square 25 minus b square y square divided by b square value 24 equals to 1. So this is required equation of a hyperbola. Second question, vertices are 0 comma plus or minus 4 and foci 0 comma plus or minus under root 17. X-axis, this is y-axis. So here vertices are, one is 0 comma plus 4, another one is 0 comma minus 4. Then we can draw the hyperbola through vertices. So the both vertices are on the y-axis. In this case, the standard form of a hyperbola is y square by b square minus x square by a square equals to 1. Let's find out the a and b values. So in the question he gave vertices are plus or 0 comma plus or minus 4, but 0 comma plus or minus b equals to 0 comma plus or minus 4, then b value is 4. Next, the foci of this hyperbola is 0 comma plus or minus b into e. It is equals to 0 comma plus or minus under root 17. So then BE equals to under root 17. It is implies B value 4. Let's substitute that. So 4 into E equals to under root 17. Then E equals to root 17 divided by 4. Let us find out the B value. To find out the B value using the eccentricity formula 1 plus a square by b square. So E value is root 17 by 4 whole square. Then 1 plus a square value, required answer b square value 4 square. So 17 by 16 equals to 16 plus a square divided by 16. Both are cancelled. Then a square equals to 17 minus 16. A square equals to 1. Then a equals to 1. Now substitute the a and b values in this standard form. So then y square divided by a square, y square divided by b square, that is 4 square. X square divided by a square, that is 1 square. Then y square by 16 minus x square by 1 equals to 1. So this is our required equation of a hyperbola. So we can simplify this equation, take the LCM 16. So y square minus 16x square equals to 1. So y square minus 16x square equals to 16. It is also correct answer. Third question, vertices are 0 comma plus or minus 3 and foci 0 comma plus or minus 5. So it is very clear the vertices will be lie on the y-axis. So then the standard form of a hyperbola is y square by b square minus x square by a square equals to 1. Let's find out the a and b values. The vertices of this hyperbola is 0 comma plus or minus b. It is equals to 0 comma plus or minus 3. Then b value is 3. Next, the foci is 0 comma plus or minus b into e. Then it is equals to 0 comma plus or minus 5. So it is implies b into e equals to 5. Let's substitute the b value 3 into e equals to 5. So then e equals to 5 by 3. Let's find out the b value. So then I am using the eccentricity formula 1 plus a square divided by b square. So 5 by 3 whole square equals to 1 plus a square. Required answer b square, that is 3. So 3 square. 25 by 9 equals to 3 square 9. 9 plus a square divided by 9. 9 cancel. So then a square equals to 25 minus 9. A square equals to 25 minus 9 is 16. Then a equals to 4 is the answer. Let's substitute these a and b values in the standard form of a hyperbola, that is y square by b square minus x square by a square equals to 1. Y square by b square 3 square minus x square by a square, that is 4 square equals to 1. Y square by 9 minus x square by 16 equals to 1 is our required equation of a hyperbola. Fourth question, vertices are plus or minus 3 comma 0. E equals to 5 by 3. E means eccentricity. Here vertices will be lie on the x-axis, so then the standard form of a hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. Let's find out the a and b values. So actually the vertices of a hyperbola is plus or minus a comma 0, then plus or minus 3 comma 0, then a value is 3, and he gave e value, that is 5 by 3. To find out the b value, I am using the eccentricity formula, that is 1 plus b square divided by a square, then e value is 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 whole square, 1 plus b square divided by a square, 3 square. 25 by 9 equals to 9 plus b square divided by 9, 9 cancel, b square equals to 25 minus 9, b square equals to 16, then b equals to 4. Let's substitute the a and b values in the standard form, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. X square by a square is 3 square minus y square by b square, 4 square equals to 1. X square by 9 minus y square by 16 equals to 1 is our required equation of a hyperbola. So here we can simplify it. The 9 comma 16 LCM 144. So then 16x square minus 9y square equals to 1. So 16x square minus 9y square equals to 144. Fifth question, the foci are 0 comma plus or minus 4 and transverse axis is of length 6. So here focus is 0 comma plus or minus 4. So here is a focus 0 comma 4. Here one more focus 0 comma minus 4. So then this is a diagram of a hyperbola. The foci lie on the y-axis. So then the standard form of a hyperbola is y square divided by b square minus x square divided by a square equals to 1. Let's find out the a and b values. In the question he gave transverse axis length is 6, but transverse axis length formula is 2 into b. It is equals to 6, then b equals to 6 by 2 is 3. Next to the foci 0 comma. Here the foci of this hyperbola is 0 comma plus or minus be. It is equals to 0 comma plus or minus 4. So then be equals to 4, but b value is 3. Let's substitute that. 3 into e equals to 4. So then e equals to 4 divided by 3. To find out the a value, use eccentricity formula, that is e square equals to 1 plus b square by 1 plus a square divided by b square, because it is a conjugate hyperbola. So then 4 by 3 whole square equals, so a square value is 7. Let's substitute the value a square value and b value in the standard form. So y square by b square, b value 3, then b square value 9, then x square by a square value 7. It is equals to 1. Sixth question, foci are plus or minus 4 comma 0 and length of a latus rectum is 12. So the foci lies on the x-axis. So then the standard form of a hyperbola x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equals to 1. Next he gave length of a latus rectum is 12. So length of a latus rectum formula is 2b square by a equals to 12. Here 2 ones are 2 6 are, then b square by a equals to 6. So next one is the foci. Foci means plus or minus a comma 0. It is equals to plus or minus 4 comma 0. Then a into e equals to 4. So from this e equals to 4 by a, and from this b square equals to 6a. Now I am using the eccentricity formula, that is e square equals to 1 plus b square divided by a square. e square, that means 4 by a whole square equals to 1 plus b square, that is 6a divided by a square. So then 16 divided by a square, I take the LCM, a square plus 6a divided by a square. A square cancel, a square plus 6a minus 16 equals to 0. Let's do factorization. A square plus 8a minus 2a minus 16 equals 0. Take the a common from the first two terms, minus 2 common from the last two terms. Now a plus 8 is a common, into a minus 2 equals to 0. A plus 8 equals 0, one answer. A minus 2 equals 0, second answer. A equals to minus 8, a equals to 2. So here we got two a values, but which is a suitable one? Once you observe, here b square equals to 6a is there. If you substituting the a equals to minus 8, what will happen? B square equals to 6 into minus 8. B square equals to 6 into minus 8, minus 48. Then b equals to under root minus 48. So it is not possible to find out the square root because it is a negative number. That is why ignore a equals to minus 8. So substitute a equals to 2 in the condition, that is b square equals to 6a. So b square equals to 6 into a value 2. B square equals to 6 2 is 12. So now the standard form, x square divided by a square minus y square divided by b square equals to 1. X square divided by a square value, a value 2, then a square value 4, minus y square divided by b square value 12 equals to 1. Now let's take the LCM of 4 comma 12. So that is 12. 12 in 4 table 3 is 3 into x square minus y square equals to 1. So 3x square minus y square equals to 12 is our required answer.